Hey everyone, it's Erica here. Today, I'm going to show you how to manage permissions differently for managers and users in Jodoo. First, let's have a quick look at Jodoo's admin hierarchy. The person who creates the Jodoo workspace is the owner. They have access to everything. The owner can appoint super admins who share the same level of access. The owner and super admins can customize regular admin groups with limited access tailored to specific roles. Keep these roles in mind as we explore how to set up permissions. Click the Contacts icon on your toolbar and go to the Admins tab inside the Permission Center. This permission management panel is only available for the owner and super admin. For roles like IT managers or HR managers who need broader access across your apps and contacts, consider making them super admins. Simply click to assign them the role. For managers running specific projects or departments, regular admins are the way to go. They can perform specific actions towards certain apps or user groups based on your settings. For example, let's create a sales admin group for sales managers. Add an admin group, name it, and add your sales manager to the group. Click Select Applications to grant your sales manager access to the right apps, like CRM, product order form, etc., and allow them to add or delete apps if necessary. Add sales departments and roles to the Manage scope. This lets sales managers assign forms, workflows, or dashboards to their team members for seamless collaboration. Or set the Manage scope to All to let sales managers collaborate with anyone in your workspace. Enable the appropriate contacts permissions so they can manage their team members. By customizing admin groups, you can tailor access to meet any manager's specific needs. For individual team members, it's best to set permissions at the form, workflow, or dashboard level. For example, to set permission for a salesperson to access the sales analysis dashboard or contact list, you can go to the Publish page of the item. Under the To Members tab, click Add Member. Add the sales, and move on to set their permissions. You can choose one of the default permission sets, like Submit Only, View, or Manage Data. You can also customize a permission set to specify what actions they can perform, even down to individual fields. Plus, you can limit which submissions they have access to. For details on default permission sets, refer to the Predefined Permission Sets table. Dashboards have a unique permission set compared to forms and workflows. You can only grant view permission to users. Only admins with permissions for the associated app can manage the dashboard. Once assigned, permissions live in the Jodoo workspace. Admins can see all the items they have access to directly in their workspace. If a team member is added to multiple permission groups for a form or workflow, one can easily switch between them using the toolbar. And that's the basics of permission management for managers and users in Jodoo. To dive deeper, you can even manage permission field by field, chart by chart, or managing permissions on a user level with advanced features, which is perfect for enterprise users with complex permission hierarchies. If you have any questions or want to learn more, drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and join our community for more valuable resources. Thanks for watching. Cheers!